streets talk, whispering tales, concrete scrolls. Souls on the tilt, heavy rolls. Seen the cracks in the pavement, mirroring the spirit, ain't no faking. Every step a testament, a promise breaking. Not like us, nah, never that. See the difference in the gaze. Sunrise to the sunset, caught in a daze. Not like us, the rhythm ain't the same, different drum, different beat. This ain't a game, ain't no retreat. Identity crisis, a phantom limb, always there but gone. Tryna trace the outline till the early dawn. Faith on a tightrope, swaying with the wind, high above the fall. Hearing whispers of doubt, answering the call. Not like us, nah, never that. See the difference in the gaze. Sunrise to the sunset, caught in a daze. Not like us, the rhythm ain't the same, different drum, different beat. This ain't a game, ain't no retreat. In a conflict, a civil war battlefield in the brain. Tryna find a peace, wash away the stain. But the rain keeps falling, washing nothing but the dust. Still I stand tall, gotta earn that trust. Not like us, nah, never that. See the difference in the gaze. Sunrise to the sunset, set, caught in a daze. Not like us, the rhythm ain't the same, different drum, different beat. This ain't a game, ain't no retreat.
Grandma kept a Bible on the counter by the stove. Ash from a Newport on the cover like snow. Said, baby, stay humble when they pat you on the back. It's easy lose your soul when you're trying to get it back. I grew up where the liquor store sparkled like a shrine. Candles on the corner every time the block cries. Scrolling through the names on the shirt in my drawer, thinking how they made us numbers, we was people before. Teacher said I'm angry, I just called it being awake. How you sleep through the sirens and the yellow tape. Preacher talk forgiveness while the rent overdue. Landlord in the lobby with a smile like who knew. Mama worked doubles, knuckles split, no pray. Still the one praying for the cops that raid. I'm talking about justice over hashtags and trends. Till the share button break or the story just ends. I'm trying to stay humble in a loud world. They love your pain, then they doubt your worth. Hands in the sky, but my knees on the floor. Got faith in the God they don't show in the polls. Got rage in my chest, but I guard my tongue. Cause power in the breath and the songs unsung. I'm caught in the middle of the noise and the halo. Walking through the fire with this dust on my halo, on my halo. Judge call me defendant, mama call me child. Officer say boy like he practiced for a while. ID in my pocket that don't fit my face. Cause the mirror show a story they don't teach in they place. I done argue with the heavens about the hurt I seen. Like if you really out there why they choke our dreams. But when my cousin beat the case on a thin little thread, I felt grace in the hallway like a hand on my head. A prophet on the bus stop mumbling about change. He said pride built towers that collapse in the rain. You can shout about the system, you can write you a speech, but if you hate who you are, all your lines out of reach. So I'm wrestling my ego in these late night drives, talking to my shadow in the passenger side. Am I chasing all this credit just to fill up a wound? Or trying to light a candle in a smoke-filled room? I'm trying to stay humble in a loud world. They love your pain and they doubt your worth. Hands in the sky, but my knees on the floor. Got faith in the God they don't show in the polls. Got rage in my chest, but I guard my tongue. Cause power in the breath and the songs unsung. I'm caught in the middle of the noise and the halo. Walking through the fire with this dust on my halo, on my halo. If I speak, is it healing or just trying to be seen? If I kneel, is it worship or part of the meme? They want a mascot, I need a map back home. Between a march and a mercy, where do I belong? I'm trying to stay humble in a loud world. They love your pain and they doubt your word. Hands in the sky but my knees on the floor. Got faith in a God they don't show in the polls. Got rage in my chest but I guard my tongue. Cause power in a breath and the song's unsung. I'm caught in the middle of the noise and a halo. Walking through the fire with this dust on my halo.
Da ra da da da. They taught us keep calm while the house burns slow. Said pull your pants up, but they love the chain glow. Pray over breakfast, scroll past another name. Turn the volume down when they screaming out the same pain. Mom said, boy, stand straight. Even when the world bent, this pastor said, love your hate. But he never paid the rent for us. Teacher said, aim high. Grade drop when I wrote truth. Guess the A only comes when you lie in a nice suit. Talk to God in my headphones, arguing the static in my brain. Like if we all your children, why they treat us like a stain? I'm half hope, half holla, half halo, half handcuffed. Still I walk in this valley with my head up, hands up. I say, alright, even when it ain't right. Teeth on pressure, heart on fire. If the sky fall, I'll still sing anyway. If the ground shake, I'll still stand, still say, alright, even when it ain't fine. Pain in the margin, ink in the line. If the dog talk loud, I'll pray anyway. If they shut that door, I'll find one more way. Alright, alright, alright. My name Too Brown on the job form. One they call once back when I spell it like John. Walk past mirrors, try on every version of me. Code switch tongue just to buy a little safety. Sunday choir humming, Monday sirens humming. Same block, same corner, two different trumpets coming. One say grace, one say freeze, one say child be still, one say down on your knees. What's faith? If I only trusted when I win, what's sin? If the system built the trap I'm in, wrestle in the nighttime, Jacob in my mindset. Won't let go till I walk with a new step. I ride, even when it ain't right. Teeth on pressure, heart on fire. If the sky fall, I'll still sing anyway. If the ground shake, I'll still stand, still say, alright, even when it ain't fine. Pain in the margin, ink in the line. If the dark talk loud, I'll pray anyway. If they shut that door, I'll find one more way. Alright, alright, alright. Tell me who I gotta be to be free in your eyes. Your news feed numb, but my mom still cries. I'm a question mark walking through a metal detector, but I'm stamped in the image of a holy protector. Hey, so when they write me off, I just write these songs. Turn my doubts to dust in the center of my palms. If I break, I break in the seeds, not shards. I'm a field full of maybe still talking to God. I say, alright, even when it ain't right. Teeth on pressure, heart on fire. If the sky fall, I'll still sing anyway. If the ground shake, I'll still stand, still say, alright, even when it ain't fine. Pain in the margin, ink in the line. If the dark talk loud, I'll pray anyway. If they shut that door, I'll find one more way. Alright, alright, alright. fire my anthem. Yeah. Yeah. Spit double time, but the wound slow healing. Ink in my jeans, not the ones I'm wearing. Chromosome choir in a cracked cathedral. Every bass pair praying that we treat it equal. Cold in the cell, but the cell got bars. Concrete moons, one window, no stars. Judge read numbers like a flawed translation. Sentence in his hand, not the whole foundation. Grandma said, child, you more than a story. But the form just asked for a box, not glory. Racing pen like a line on a track. Gun pop once, we don't get to run back. I got atom in my atoms, dust in my blood. Script in a spiral, written in the flood. Trauma in the telomeres, caps running low. Every generation feel the fray in the flow. DNA like a prayer in my veins. In my veins. Tryna decode why the world love pain. Who am I if the system write my name? Helix in my hands, I refuse to stay the same. Spinning that spiral, fight through the stain. Carrying faith in a world so strange. Who am I when they profit off my shame? Helix in my hands, I refuse to stay the same. Yeah. Fast tongue, but the doubt run faster. Heart two kingdoms, split by a pastor. One side gospel, other side anger. Both in the mirror like a foster stranger. Ask God why this skin mean target. Why my friend turn chalk on the market. Why the rich get grace for the same sin. Why my block need wings just to break wind. They say just work, pull chains like laces. But the letter lean hard, miss our faces. Faith in a book, but they edit the pages. Quote two lines, then they cage our ages. I feel Cain and Abel talk in my chest. One swing while one begging for rest. But the cross on my neck, not a charm, it's a choice. Lay down pride, still raise my voice. DNA like I pray in my veins. In my veins. Tryna decode why the world love pain. Who am I if the system write my name? Helix in my hands, I refuse to stay the same. Spinning that spiral, fight through the stain. Carrying faith in a world so strange. Who am I when they profit off my shame? Helix in my hands, I refuse to stay the same. Thoughts so quick, feel stuck in place. Whole life judged by the cover of my face. But I seen hope hide in the hardest scene. Little kid laughing, a squad caution. If I'm made in the image, then the image gotta rise. Not just survive, but revise these lies. So I lace each bar like a strand in a braid. Turn every base code to a better crusade. DNA like I pray in my veins. Tryna decode why the world love pain. Who am I if the system write my name? Helix in my hands, I refuse to stay the same. Spinning that spiral, fight through the stain. Carrying faith in a world so strange. Who am I when they profit off my shame? Helix in my hands, I refuse to stay the same. Yeah.
Who real? Who fraud?
We see you.
Praise Jah, not cloud. Them a talk while pockets on mute. Caption king but him payroll cute. All of them flex bill pan alone. I pan the net, trembling at home. Me come from yard side, zinc and rain. Banner at the black, all struggle, no shame. No switch flag, just for 50 in frame. Whole crew roots, we no bleach for fame, ya hear me? Them like buckle, we like book. Them like filter, we like look. Right in your eye, tell truth till it shook. Still chance on when the whole place crook. Who are rebel?
We are rebel.
Fist in the air, keep it level. From the curb to the council steeple. We now bow down for the fake top people. Who are rebel?
We are rebel.
Heart too tough for the devil. Deep in the wave, we no sink, we pedal.
Stand tall, stand tall, stand tall, my people.
Them chase boss, me chase backbone. Me no sell soul just for ringtone. Talk about drip, but them spirit dry bone. Every big man crumble when them stand alone. Man a chant for the youth, them lost. Facing cup, them a drowning glass. Me say rise, member who pay cost. Blood of the elders run deep, not wash. Me carry island in every word. Portside smoke, patois in verse. Grandma prayer in me every nerve. Coulda never shame where my bloodline burn. No. Who are rebel?
We are rebel.
Fist in the air, keep it level. From the curb to the council steeple. We now bow down for the fake top people. Who are rebel?
We are rebel.
Heart too tough with the devil. Deep in the wave, we no sink, we pedal.
Stand tall, stand tall, stand tall, my people.
Masses, name call, real ones, stand tall.
Chat tough,
Prove that,
old squad.
fall flat. Who are rebel?
We are rebels.
Fist in the air, keep it level. From the curb to the council steeple, we now bow down for the fake top people. Who are rebel?
We are rebels.
Are too tough for the devil. Deep in the wave, we no sink, we pedal.
Stand tall, stand tall, stand tall, my people.
Yo, 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 peep the lineage, the legacy. No chains on the man, spirit truly free. Ancestors whisper, rhythm in the bone, planting seeds of defiance, watching empires grown from the concrete jungle to the sun-baked land. A king's ambition, etched in every grain of sand. Yeah, we rise up, rise up. No stopping the tide from the soul's deep ocean. Nowhere to hide, king's anthem lasting. Feel the bass in your chest, this ain't no mere movement. Put it to the test, yeah. Put it to the test, yo, 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 yo. Put it to the test, keep motivation. Fire in the gut, philosophies flowing, no ifs, ands, or buts. Every step a statement, every breath a creed. Planting truth's God, watching wisdom feed. They try to erase us, history untold, but the spirit's eternal, never bought, never sold. Yeah, we rise up, no stopping the tide from the soul's deep ocean. No way to hide, king's anthem lasting. Feel the bass in your chest, this ain't no mere movement. Put it to the test, yeah. Put it to the test, yo, 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 yo. Put it to the test, rebel spirit burning. A beacon in the night, shining for the people, reclaiming what's right. No fear in this heart, only power and grace. A warrior's rhythm, set the world's pace. Yeah, we rise up, no stopping the tide from the soul's deep ocean. No way to hide, king's anthem lasting. For the bass in your chest, this ain't no mere movement. Put it to the test, put it to the test, oh yeah, yeah. Put it to the test. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Yo, keep the side of the street up where the blacks ballad. Dudes run deep, can't chop it, no way. From concrete cracks, it brings sprout the soap line. Mine saw clouds boating, and at my time they glance see good that we harvest the truth. You grapple, wisdom gained from every non-cool systematic poison, trying to choke a vine. But our spirit brought forever divine. Money trees, yeah, we doing that dream. From the struggle, the hustle, a powerful scene. Yeah, yeah. Money tree, yeah, we tasting that dream. Yeah. Rebel spirit vibrant, a powerful stream. Oh, yeah. No silver spoon, just callous hands, a hungry stare. Heard an empire brick by brick from thin air. They talk paper, we talk power, internal fire. Fueling movement, pushing liar, never tire. Ancestors whisper in every breeze, every rustle. And let the sea of strength on from every tussle. Yeah. They want them down, we ride the or defy and go. For the culture, for the future, and so much more. Money tree, yeah, we growing that dream. Oh.
na 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 na. Oh yeah 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 yeah. Wake up, steam from the rice pot rise. Ink on my notebook glide. Still my mind baptized. Grandma say, try you from Laurie I try. So when the road throws shade, I let my skin sun dry. Fresh up, turn cool the ground. I've been walking up hill day foot, scary hold it down. It going up my hair, my slime, my stride. But I'm caught from stories they try die. Bitch don't kill my vibe. I'm roots, I'm gum, I'm tried. Hard the marking time. Damn you my level mind. Bitch don't kill my vibe. From black to mountainside. I rise, I rise, I rise. Culture in my blood, I'm live. I found slave, but I move it. Head don't race. Read 2 books, store I answer to your face. Deep down, every proverb in my veins, every X and every board I'm at. Inside my brain, they send quick fame. I want meaning that last. I'd break this main and just tap to the past. If truth is a drug, then I'm dealing that dose. If fear is a cage, then I'm picking that Don't stuff. kill my vibe.
I'm roots and drum, I'm dry. Heart the marching time. Can you my rebel wine?
Bitch don't kill my vibe.
From black to mountainside. I rise, I rise, I rise. Culture in my blood, I'm live. Hands up, put the ones in for that. Name burned out, put the flame shield hot. Down loud to the doubt, step round. Every sit knock down is my pack, gun sound.
Bitch don't kill my vibe.
I'm roots and drum, I'm tried. Heart beat marching time. Damn you my rebel mind.
Bitch don't kill my vibe.
From black to mountainside. I rise, I rise, I rise. Culture in my blood, I'm alive.
Yeah. From the roots to the future, yeah. Every shade, every curl. Stand tall. They taught us to hate our skin, then tax the courage it takes to love it. Turned our history into rumor, but the drums kept telling the truth above it. Grandma said, child, you're a universe, worn in a tightly coiled crown. So I walk like an answered prayer. Any room I enter, I'm holy ground. They sell us doubt in designer bags, call it care, then flip the script. I read the lies in the label tags, return the sender, receipt ripped. My melanins, my memory, my memories, my map. Every stripe that they tried to break came back as a thunderclap. The blacker, the berry, the stronger the flame. Pressure on my people, we diamond the pain. From the block to the planet, we breaking the chain. Break it. Say it from your belly, remember the name. Blacker, the berry, the sweeter the fight. Blacker, the berry, the deeper the light. Blacker, we carry the past in our veins. Chant up, we rewrite in our frame. I'm the child of a stolen century. Flip that theft into legacy. Turn that ship into rocket fuel. Now my thoughts move past their jealousy. They feel what they cannot cage, so they built those bars in the mind. But we study law, we study soul, we study stars till the bars unwind. Philosopher in a tracksuit, stoic on a concrete throne. I meditate on liberation while my cousins on the phone tryna get home. We the math, they couldn't measure. We the song, they couldn't mute. Every time they cut the branches, roots just grow more resolute. Hey, the blacker, the berry, the stronger the flame. Hey, pressure on my people, we diamond the pain. From the block to the planet, we breaking the chain. Break it. Say it from your belly, remember the name. Blacker, the berry, the sweeter the fight. Blacker, the berry, the deeper the light. Blacker, we carry the past in our veins. Chant up, we
shade? Who taught you to fear your face? Every curl is a cosmic code. Every scar is a sacred place. Fist up, spine straight. We don't beg, we legislate. We don't fold, we formulate. Turn that rage into a state. The blacker, the berry, the stronger the flame. Pressure on my people, we diamond the pain. From the black to the planet, we breaking the chain. Say it from your belly, remember the name. Black up, the berry, the sweeter the fight. Black up, the berry, the deeper the light. Black up, we carry the past in our veins. Chant up, we rewriting a frame. Block smell like burnt rubber. Sunday quiet down the street. Same voice say love your brother. Same voice load magazines. Yeah. Mama say baby you chosen. Homie say boy you a target. Angels hang over the projects. Demons just park in the darkness. Liquor in brown paper armor. Bible with bent up pages. Grandma underline every promise. Cousin underline wages. Helicopters write our names in circles over the roofs. Teacher talk college and options. Police talk probable proof. I pledge to a flat they don't know me. Needs to a God to feel holy. But while my prayers sound like codeine, slow dripping a cracked up home screen. I'm split in the middle like double yellow. Saying in the mirror in public I'm trouble. Pastor say grace but I grace these medals. Head on a swivel, feet on the pedal. This that Sunday siren song. Red and blue on stained glass walls. Trying to find where I belong. While the whole block sing along. I got questions on my tongue. I got scriptures in my lungs. If this really M.A.A.D City, tell me where my mercy from. Got a cross on my neck, that's pressure. Got a chip on my shoulder, that's weight. Got a list of my friends on sweaters. Spray paint halos over their face. Courtroom feel like auction house. Judge recharge like prices. Public defender half asleep. Prosecutor recite like Bible lore. Why the poor pay interest on sins they inherited twice. He got caught with a gram in his hand. They got stocks in a vice. Uncle say play by the rules. Rules say you already lose. So do I kneel at the pew? Or kneel, lacing my shoes? Cause if I walk right, still might fall. Wrong skin tone in the right mall. Whole life fit in a small file. Kirk stand fate with a bored smile. Faith feels soft in a hard world. Hope feel bright but a charred girl. Call mama static on the line. She said baby just trust God's time. This that Sunday siren song. Red and blue on stained glass walls. Trying to find where I belong. While the whole block sing along. I got questions on my tongue. I got scriptures in my lungs. If this really M.A.A.D City, tell me where my mercy from. Some days I'm sounds and patience. Some nights I'm smoking vengeance. Walk that thin line, tightrope tension between repentance and resentment. If I forgive, do I forget? If I resist, am I a threat? If I believe, will you protect? This that Sunday siren song. Red and blue on stained glass walls. Trying to find where I belong. While the whole block sing